Hey there guys, today I got a black dog padlock here. This one was sent to me from Bill. So Bill, thank you very much for sending all these locks. Like I said, it's a black dog. It says Harden on the other side of the body. I got the packaging that it came in. Yeah, so here's a look at the packaging. Yeah, front of it, back of it. And the padlock number is 55173. That's 55173. And I'm not going to be picking this padlock. Not today at least. But go ahead and show you the key bitting. There's the key bitting right there. Yeah, hope you guys can see that. So there's the key bitting right there. And padlock does work. That is open. Close it up. And I'll be using a American bypass tool. Yeah. My opinion of Peterson stuff in the beginning wasn't very high, but this might be changing my opinion a little at a time. So yeah, it's made by Peterson International. Google it. You should be able to find the website quite easily. How this tool works is it's for American 700 series padlocks and cheap Chinese copies, or any copies. It doesn't matter where they're manufactured at. If they don't put the security wafers in, probably 9 times out of 10, this tool might work, and it's just a bypass tool. So all you're doing is bypassing the pins, and you're sticking it all the way through the keyway to the back of it. And I believe you're hitting the actuator, and you're turning the actuator without turning the plug. Yeah. So you stick it all the way in, give it a little twist, and there it is. It's that quick and that easy. It took me a little bit of practice to get used to it, but once you memorize the feeling of having to go in and seat properly, it's not a problem at all. Yeah. So there it is. It's that quick. Now you can see the lock locked up. Plug's not moving. So I'll just do it again here. You just take it, stick it in. It looks like a miniature little golf club. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So you just stick it in, and when it goes in, you just want to make sure it gets seated properly. And once it's seated properly, I'll show you this view here so you can see the plug's not turning maybe. There it goes. It's already starting to turn. I tend to lift the tool up and gets underneath the driver pins, pushes them all the way up, because again, you're not going to be affecting the plug. But as I turn, you'll hear the shackle pop. Yeah. I'm not sure if you can see that. The plug has not rotated at all, so it is a bypass. Yeah. It's a great little tool. Yeah. Before I had some Peterson stuff, didn't turn out so good, but they may have gotten their act together and started producing some good stuff. I haven't messed with their picks at all, so yeah. Another bypass. I think I've only done maybe 1 or 2 bypass videos for the stick knife, and oh gosh, I don't think I've ever done padlock shims. But there it is, Peterson bypass tool. If you got any experience with his picks, please leave a comment down below. As always, thank you for taking time out of your day to watch this video. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate that. And as always, you guys have a good one.